Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have this little guy laser measurement from Bosch. We're gonna unbox it, see what comes in the box, the original box. It's still sealed. I ordered over Amazon. It was with a promotion around like $74 plus included tax, everything, shipped, delivered to my home. So let's start. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to encourage us more, making more videos. What you like. All right. So this device, the laser measurement here, it model GLM65-22. This one comes with a red laser light. The other one, the only difference between both, that model GLM65-27. That one, it only comes with the green. What they said, green is brighter if you use it outside during the day. I never try it, but let's see here. So and the number here 165, it mentioned related to the distance, how distant this can measure, 165 feet. So this is the 22 comes with the red light, and the 27 comes with the green lights, laser lights. Okay, it's included with the 2 battery. This operates with the removable battery, 2 AA. Here we can read more. 2 battery, 1 removable belt, soft pouch. Just take a look around this box. You can read more about the accurate here. They said 1.5 millimeter, the accuracy. The range starts from 6 inches up to 165 feet. It's the power here operated with the 2 AA batteries. Weight, it's 100 grams, 0.22 pounds. This dimension 4 inches, 0.2 by 1.8 by 0.9 inches. It comes with a warranty 2 years, and it has this little thing as a protection, and you can hold it. Okay, let's open it and see what's in the box. This box came with the glue. You can see here they glue it purposely just as a seal. We're gonna remove the glue with our tool here. Just open it gently, because always I like to keep a box for time, let's say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, for however, in case anything happen with this device, we can return it to the vendor in the same original box. See how it is. This is still a glue. See, glue. Yes. All right. This is our first lock. Here we're gonna find this case. It's nice case, Bosch. And inside the case we're gonna find this back hitch and these 2 battery. So we found the case, the fabric case, the original one from Bosch, 2 battery, and this metal back. And here's the user guides. You can read it. Please read it and spend time. You can get more benefits, how to use it, how to know more about what you have. All right. Finally, this is our guy. This to measurement function. It has multiple functions. I believe it needs a dedicated video just to know all functions with this. We're gonna make it and later show you how to use this device. Open this battery, add them, one here and one reverse here. Close it. Yep, remove this screen. Just keep it here on the side. Okay. And one click. Okay, USA. Gonna ask us, do you want to measure with the feet? If you can see here, let's turn off the flash light. Okay, now I believe it's better a little bit. So I'll zoom in with the feet, inch, all measurement. Also, it has something else, how to rotate here, to change it with this button here. You can change. Go back to feet. Okay. And now if you want to see how far, for example, this box, just put it here. As we mentioned, it's starting. I like the screen. It's a big screen with a big number. It's really big. The number is really big. We just hit this one. It tells us 0.9, 25 of feet. If we want to change it to inches, let's go back. Just go back here. So as we see here, it's a live measurement. How we move it back and forth, continue measure. So if we need to change this feet, we just hit this button. The function gonna change it to inches now. So it tells us now 10 inches, 0.7, and so. Again, this device has many options, like functions. We need to refer to this user guide it comes with and read more and more and more, watching other people who already upload videos about this. And yes, hopefully very soon we'll be able to make another video dedicated to explain how this functions. See here, you can change the light, the bright, sound, the bright, tell you the battery, feet or meter. You can change it from here. There's many things. This sound, if you don't want to hear this sound, you just hit this button, off. Now there is no sound. Oh no, it's not successful. Let's see here. Yeah, now it's off. This is on, this is off. Yeah, no, there is no sound. See, there is no sound. Going back, something like that. Yeah. Again, hopefully very soon I'll be able to make a video after I read more and more and see the most important function and more thing about this, how it works and what's hidden. Like there's many times there's a hidden tip. It's very useful and nobody can realize it. I will focus on this. And yeah, we'll go back to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like video, and leave us a comment and feedback to encourage us making more videos. Let us know if there is any specific tool or device you want us to make a video for that. Okay. And this is, yeah, before we leave, we still have one more little thing here. This is for your belt. You just hook it up here, probably in this way. Yeah. Yep, here you go. And you hook it up in your belt. Also helpful during the work. All right, guys. enjoy this video and have a good time.